Hey everyone, my name is Nick, and in today's video, I'm going to show you one of the easiest ways to improve your customer experience by adding a highlight filter to your search results. So what exactly is the highlight filter? Well, if we look at the Shopify documentation, basically it wraps all instances of a specific string and then wraps it with a strong tag and a class attribute of highlight. So in other words, it's just kind of like includes, if you're familiar with that, within JavaScript, and it's going to find the contained text and then it's going to highlight it for us. So to get started, what we want to do is start by looking at where our search results are actually outputted, because if we click into our store here, and if I click search, we got to figure out where this is so that we can highlight it. Luckily, it's pretty easy. If you just do a search in your theme for any files that contain search, you'll see there's only a few. The first one that I'm going to start with is the predictive search.liquid section. And all we need to do here is we need to go find every occurrence of the search results being outputted. So in this particular theme, this is Dawn, it is all of these HTML p tags right here. And what we want to do is we want to go to where it's actually being outputted, and then we are just simply going to put the highlight tag. And rather than search terms, because this theme uses predictive search, we are going to use predictive search terms. And we can just copy this same usage, and we're going to use it in every other p tag that we find that's being output. So here, perfect. So now that we've added this highlight here, we can hit save. And if we go back to our theme, now after a refresh, I can go to my search. And if I start typing in the archive, you're going to see that the words are, successfully highlighted. And the only problem with this, though, is if we actually hit search and we get to this search results page, you're going to see that there's no highlighting being done here. And the reason for that is that after you hit search, it goes to the search results page. So we need to edit some code there as well. So again, in the Dawn theme, what I'm going to do is go to my theme, and I'm going to open up main.search.liquid. It's a section. And we're actually going to see that the card product snippet is being rendered, and that's what we're seeing here. So we need to be able to pass the search terms to this snippet so that we can successfully highlight them. So all we need to do here is add an attribute here, and we're going to call search.terms. And notice it's search this time and not predictive search, because this is after the search input has been entered. And now, after saving this, I'm going to open up the card product snippet. And then I'm just going to find where the card product title is being called. And I'm just going to add, similarly like we did on the other Shopify page, Shopify file. And we're going to add the highlight here and search.terms, except it won't be search.terms because remember, we're passing it to this snippet from the other section with the name search by. So when there is a search, when there are search terms, this will add a highlight, and when there's not, it will do no highlighting. So after we save this, we should be able to refresh and check it out. Now, just as before, I'm going to click search here. I'm going to start typing in and we can see the archive snowboard is being highlighted, but if I just hit enter here, we can also see that the archive snowboard is being highlighted on the search results page. After just a few lines, we should successfully see our search terms highlighted using the built-in Shopify Liquid highlight filter. And I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and stay tuned for more Shopify development related content. Be sure to comment and let me know if there's anything you'd like to see specifically. And as always, see you next time.